What's going on, guys? Thrasher Void or Austin here, and today I found this game in the Play Store and I'm like, hey, I should test this out. It's called Zombie Highway. So I don't know what to do. Okay. Okay. Oh, scrape 2 zombies. There we go. Oh, shoot zombies. Alright. Go away, zombie. Nope. Oh, wow. Die. Oh, never mind. Oh, God. Nope, wrong one. Did I just pause that? Seriously? I did not even mean to. Alright, doing fine. This is good. Oh, this dude looks a bit bigger. Oh, how strong can you be? Oh, I only have so much ammo. Really? Damn. You're dying, zombie man. He was flying. He's like, I don't want to live. Oh my god, giant dude. Stop pausing it. I'm trying to shoot him. Okay, here you all die. Well, that didn't help my car very much. Gotta go on this side. Okay, what's this red dude? He looks powerful, kind of, not really, I don't know. Oh, his health is regenerating. Die. I'm out of ammo. That's nice. I need more ammo. Come on. Hey, this is my first try. I'm doing pretty good. 29 miles. Come on. Nice. I got a shotgun, a revolver, a 0.5, and a new level. Try again. Okay, I got a shotgun here. This is good. Die. Hey, want to get hit off this bus? Ooh, there you go. Just gonna run over some people. Okay. How powerful is this shotgun? Wait. Oh, it's good. That guy failed. Stop jumping on my car. It's not a bus. I'm gonna hit you off. Boom. Little brat. Oh, you're dead, I think. Stop pausing the game. That was not my fault. Maybe it was. No. Alright. I got this. I wanted him to fail. No, get back. That did not work out. Alright. I have a plan. Don't stand in the middle of the road. I'm gonna run each and every one over. I missed him, but he couldn't jump. Ha! I win. Oh, dang it. I got one on, and I can't get him off. Oh. Alright, I'm just gonna run them all over. That's my plan. And the ones I can't run over, I can't run over. Alright. This is looking good. I can't run him over. So. Oh, no, I was distracted. No! Die! Oh! There we go. This is much easier. Crud. No! What the hell? Yes, that's good. Try again, try again. Oh, now I got a pistol. Alright. I will run you all over. I will run all of you over. Hey, what's up, bro? Want a ride? Nope. Taxi, pick me up. Nope. Hey, what's up, bro? I hate you. Dude, I'm gonna jump on your car, alright? Nope. Stop pausing, game thing. No, I couldn't run him over or him because I was distracted by this other dude. Die. I got this. Nope. Alright, I can't run him over. I got this. This fat dude needs to die. As the backseat dude's taking care of him. Okay. There we go. Doing fine. Maybe take him off. Run this fat man over. Take him. Shoot him so he's weak. And kill them. Then, how many? There we go. I don't like you, zombies. Get off my car. Get off my car. Why are you on my car? It's my car. Oh, God. Great driving on my hand. Alright, this is looking good. Very good. Surviving. Get off my car. This dude's a freaking martyr. He jumped right through that car. Stop regenerating. Die. Die. Ugh. Get off my car. Stop pausing it. No! Ah, that... Wow. I got this. Die. 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 You die too. Same with you. And also you. Because I can't trust you. Don't jump on my car. Get off my car. You can just get hit off. Hey, where'd you come from, bro? Much better. Avoid him. Avoid him. Oh, come on. I missed running over that zombie. Come on. Oh, God. Okay, you're dead. You're not tipping my car over. There we go. Stop pausing, please. I don't like it. I don't even want to pause. Come on. Yes. And dead. Alright. This is great. You suck, zombie. Not having a fat dude on my car. Oh, this dude can just get off my car. Get off my car. Oh my God. These zombies suck. Get off my car. Come on, bruh. Get off my car. Get off my car. Off. Off my car. Few weapons can deliver more firepower at once. Use it to strike quickly at zombies holding on for dear life. Alright. Try again. Nice. I got this SMG. The first part's so easy. I'm going to make it 50 miles because that's how good I am. Screw you, zombies. You're not getting on my car today. Nope. It's my car. You suck. You're not getting on my car. Oh my god, you suck. They really do suck. Oh god. This isn't looking good. Hey, bye dude. Oh wow, you're still alive. Oh, you're the dead one. Die. Oh, I missed, but he couldn't jump. Alright. Let's see what this can do. Nice. Oh god, nope. Nope, don't tip over my car. There we go. That's how we do. Yes, okay. Yes, you suck. Die. No, I got this. I got this. No, oh, Lord, no. I really wish it would stop pausing because I keep on accidentally pushing the button. But that's what's going to make me die, so I can't do that. That was easy. Oh no. Come on. I can survive this. Oh god. No. I can do it. You suck. Yes, I can do it. Oh wait. See? That's what I mean. I'm doing terrible. Terrible. Yes, I'm gonna make it 50 miles. Keep him low health. There we go. Oh god. And off my car. Get off my car. Can you get off my car too? Oh, damn drifting skills. Get off my car. Again. I never gave you permission to jump on my car and try to kill me. No. Die. Yes. God damn. 47 miles. Yes, I can do it. I got this. No. No. I was so close. No. No. I was so close. Why? I was literally the closest that I'll ever be to that. Oh, wow. That's it. I'm doing 75 miles this time. I don't even care how hard it gets. We're going to get 75 miles. At least. You're going to get off my car. Get off my car. Oh, that's nice, but what if I don't want to download it? No. Okay. This time, I'm going to actually make it a mile. Oh, what? The lag. I think because I said no to downloading that game, it's gonna lag me. Get off my car! I don't like when people / zombies jump on my car. It's rude. Very rude. Get off my car. Get off my car. Oh wait, nobody's on my car. Never mind, I'm good. Stupid fat zombie, I'm gonna drive around you. Oh yeah? Guess what? Get off my car. There we go. Oh god. Wait. Yes. You're not tipping over my car. There we go. There we go. Alright, this is fine. Shoot him. There we go. Die, please. There we go. That's good. Oh god, I couldn't run both of them over. This is so easy. Die, red dude. No. There we go. There we go. It'd be nice if you could die. No. No. Wow. Alright. I can't believe that just happened. I'm so bad. Wow. Yeah, I think I'm a bit better at that game now. That's actually a pretty good game, though. You should play this game. It's pretty fun. Except when your car gets tipped over. Alright, guys. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe. Peace out.